Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide the number of likes, comments or share on other Instagram account posts or reels. So as you guys can see here on my timeline, I can see the number of comments, the number of likes and also the number of shares here on other posts. So I can see the numbers at the bottom of their post. So if you don't want to see that, if you want them hidden, this is what you are going to do. You can go to your profile, click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, and then here you can just scroll down until you find the what you see section, and there will be this like and share counts at the very bottom. Just tap on that, and what you need to do is just turn it on. You can turn it on and the number of likes on posts and reels from other accounts will be hidden, and it applies to reels, posts and also threads. So you can, but if you want to hide the number of likes on your own posts and reels, you can go up to the advanced settings before you share the post. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.